What's going on today? VCRs. So I want to thank Steven for the Sony VCR. Wasn't using it anymore, and it's going to help a lot with transferring VHS tapes to digital. I've been having some issues with my VCRs, as some of you know. I think a lot of them just need to be cleaned. The lid is off of this. I thought it was. I like how the Sony is engraved right there in the top. That's what a VCR looks like on the inside. Just needs some cleaning. That should be good to go. But Matt, how do you clean a VCR? Great question. So, one method is a tape. Not any ordinary tape, but a cleaning tape. This one is a dry tape. So as you can see there, there's mixed reviews on these, but basically that goes through the VCR and it's supposed to clean the heads. They're not always effective. They'll pick up like light dust and what have you. And the more you use them, the more dirt gathers inside the cleaning tape. So not always effective, but if you just have some dust in there, it's easier than tearing apart your whole VCR just to clean up a few spots. Hi, Gilbert. Our dog Gilbert doesn't like garbage trucks. They were here to pick up the trash, so I just had to sit with him for a minute, and then he was good. Back to cleaning VCRs. I talked about the cleaning tape. Cleans the heads on your VCR. I also picked up some alcohol, 99%. And the idea is that this has low water content. So when you're cleaning, it dries faster. And you don't want water, basically in your electronics. So this is supposed to work better. This is also supposedly used to get drunk or high or something. I don't know. Don't do that. Stay safe. It's just what everyone was telling me online. I don't know. And I also have these swabs. They're like a foam. It's not Q-tip because what happens is Q-tips have the little fibers that come off all over the heads of your VCR. But this one is just like almost like a sponge kind of thing, but higher quality than that. It won't leave, any sort of fuzzies on the heads of your VCR, and it doesn't create static, so it should work pretty good. Boop. Anyway, so that's that. Cleaning, and this weekend I'll be cleaning, I don't know, 5 VCRs or something. But anyway, yeah, it's important to keep your year going, and I haven't really been cleaning VCRs at all, really. So for the fact that I haven't had really any issues up until this point is actually really impressive. Since VCRs are so old, I mean, some of them that I have may be from the 80s, right? I know some of them are from the late 90s, so they're in better shape, but yeah, also I don't have it handy, but I have handheld, just a little vacuum. So I'm also going to use that to get the dust out. I was thinking of using like the compressed air, but then I was like, well, if you blow the dust around in the VCR, it's going to land on the heads and then create more of a mess, and then you got to do this again. So I'm going to use a vacuum, sort of suck that dust out, wipe all the heads, and should be good. So that's a weekend project. All right, till the next one, I will see ya.